Sup everybody, and I got a chicken pox, but I'm still going to make a video and I'm alone at home. As you can tell that I am alone. Look at this. This TV just turned on. It is the Korean drama. The table stuff, my rabbit. Okay. My laptop. I have planned to make one video, one top 5 video. I'm not going to spoil it for you guys, but I just planned for it, and I don't know, but I know it'll. I don't know if it will work or what, but hopefully it will work. And I've done the thumbnail for it, the gaming clip for it, the gaming video for it, and also no, I've done the script for it, and the last thing is the voice for it. I've not done it. I've not done it yet, but oh, my cat. And the reason why I want to vlog because I'm alone at home, and I just think, why not just make a vlog? Like, look at this vlogging rig. My phone is S3 mini, and this back camera can only record 720p 25 FPS, the maximum on this camera, but I don't know, let's put it on a lot. It'll get much better, I don't know, but I also bought this spider stick. It's super cool, and yeah, pretty much. Hope you guys enjoy. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy, and also just pray for my chicken pox to get well soon, and pretty much peace.